Tegami, where are we?
Hold on to the side. Hold on to the side.
Near River.
Neuter, I need you to follow the rules, please.
Butt stay in the middle, backbone stay in the middle.
Hands on the sides. Don't let go. Yeah, keep your...
We are in East Rock canoeing cool experience because I've never done this before. I've never been to this park. It's real cool. I like the view.
It's beautiful, and I'm scared. What are you scared about?
The
fish. You're gonna scared of the fish?
Yeah. We saw eggs in the water.
See, I took a picture. You wasn't looking.
Right there. I don't know.
Okay.
You're gonna sit on that.
You want to acquire?
Face me.
Okay, all you three turn around.
Turn around, see Joanna.
Look here, guys. You excited?
Yeah.
Quick, take a picture.
No. How was that, Clea? Fun.